Hi guys, this is Rider Review. Today we're gonna have a review about the 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 300. So Ninja 300 is the entry-level bike for the bikers who love Ninja. So it got a parallel twin with 4-stroke 8-valve DOHC engine with a displacement of 296cc. And it gives a power of 39 PS at 11,000 rpm and max torque of 29 Nm at 10,000 rpm. So it is a sports body type which has a 17-liter tank capacity with a 4.5 liter of reserve and with a mileage of 34 kmpl. So the bike achieves the top speed of 144 km/h. It has a 6-speed transmission and 2019 Ninja 300 comes with dual channel ABS with a 290mm front disc and 220mm rear disc. The front and rear wheel has a 17-inch alloy wheel with the front tire as a 110/70 and a rear tire as a 150/70. The swing arm comes with a box type swing arm instead of aluminum cast. The front suspension is a normal telescopic suspension with 37mm and 120mm travel, and the rear suspension is 5-step adjustable nitrox gas charge mono suspension. The liquid cooling system in this bike dissipates heat quickly when you stand in a traffic signal. The bike has a handlebar width of 715mm and the ground clear of 135mm, and it has a curb weight of around 179 kg. Due to the safety norms in India, the Ninja 300 2019 model comes with a pillion grab rail which looks little awkward. Previously, the Ninja 300 is available only in two colors like lime green ebony and the plasma blue, which is green and blue. In 2019, another two colors had been introduced, which is lime green and moon dust grey, which is green and grey. Both the green and grey comes with a sports stripe graphics which gives a sports bike look. So the bike's price is 2.9 at ex-showroom Delhi and 3.50 at Chennai. Hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this bike, give a thought about this bike on the comment box below and like, share and subscribe to Rider View.